Hey there, if you're watching this video, that means you want to be a part of Operation Upright, Sydney's mission. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily join Sydney's team in just a few steps. So to begin with, you're going to click on the link that was given to you and it'll bring you to this page. This is Sydney's team page. And in order to join the team, you're going to go over to the left and click on Join Team. And once you click the Join Team button, you're going to have the option to either log in if you already have a Classy account. If not, you're going to be asked to create an account. Okay, Classy is our fundraising platform that we're using. In order to create an account, you're going to hit the button. So to create an account, you can either continue with Facebook or you can enter your email and then your password. Okay, just make sure the password has 8 characters, a letter, a number, and a special character. All right. And now that you've set up your account, it's time to set up your fundraising page. Step 1 is going to be set your fundraising goal. So for this demonstration purposes, I'm just going to set it to $100. The next thing I'm going to do is decide when I'm going to end my fundraising campaign. So I'm going to click on the calendar icon. And I'm just really going to go through and hit the last day of the year, December 31st. And you're going to add your page's headline. So by default, it says raise money for MUSC. You could say help me in raising funds for Operation Upright. Okay? Take some time and think about what you really want to write here. Okay? Again, it's just for the headline of your page, and I'll show you where that goes. Now, the next step is probably the most important in this setup. It says I'm fundraising for, and this has to be done. You see the red asterisk, okay? Now, it's by default set to area of greatest need. We're going to change that. We're going to click on the black arrow, and I want you to start typing in the word brain, and it'll start loading. You want brain health and neurosciences, okay? Now, you can also just go get that by scrolling through all of this, and here it is right there, brain health and neurosciences. Now, you don't need to do a separate fancy URL. It's optional. You can just leave it as is. It's really nothing that important. And you're going to say, click next. Next thing you're going to do is you can change out your photo if you want. This is already done to show the MUSC towers. So you can just leave it as is and click continue. It says, nice work. Awesome. All right. Now, this is your fundraising campaign page, okay? We have our progress bar of raising $0 to $100. We had our name, and I just had it preloaded as test member. Here is where we did the headline, help me in raising funds for Operation Upright. Again, you might want to change that up a bit. And here it is, thanks for visiting my fundraising page. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do is just edit your story. And that's very easy to do. So you're going to scroll up to the top. And you see this manage. You're going to click on the manage button. And you're going to go down here where it says edit your story. You're going to hit compose. Again, you can also go through these tabs, but we're going to do it right through here. It says overview, edit your story, compose. All right, scroll down and here you can absolutely edit whatever is written here. MUSC has done a little bit of text that they've preloaded on their end for this fundraising campaign. So what I would like to do is just leave their stuff down at the bottom. I really wouldn't delete it. But then up here you can start typing in welcome, friends and family, and then start typing in something that you want to say. You can add pictures of yourself. You can add links, hyperlinks, so say, learn more here. You can hyperlink it. Right. If you're familiar with using editors, you'll know you just highlight it and click the link, enter the link in there. All right, so once you're done with that, you're going to hit save. And then you're going to go to donations. It'll show you how many of your friends and family have donated. Emails, you're going to want to send emails from your own email account. I wouldn't really. They're just saying this is just really a place for you to copy and edit email. It's not really that important. And details is just the details of your fundraising page. So, for instance, this is test member. I might want to say Jane Doe. Obviously, it's going to be your name. Make sure this is done to, brain. brain health, of course, there we go, brain health and neurosciences. And if I want to change my fundraising goal, I could do it here again, and then just hit Save Changes. And that is how easy it is to create your team. If you want to share it, you can click on this Facebook link up here. And you're going to log in. You'll be able to share that directly to your Facebook account. If you want a shareable link, you can create that here and send that into an email or any other social media you're going to do, or text messages or anything like that. You can just send that and it'll take people right to your fundraising page. And that is it. Thank you for joining and being a part of Team Sydney, Operation Upright. Okay, congratulations and best of luck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to operationupright@gmail.com, and I will answer any questions you may have. All right, happy fundraising.